In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on LDO future while talking about the Lido DAO token cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to sort of think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Lido DAO most certainly token. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dig especially profound into the Lido DAO truly token value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that LDO especially is a wise venture or not. For what reason will LDO succeed or for the most part fall flat, or for what reason will Lido DAO by and large symbolic value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what LDO really is and its to-date history in a sort of enormous manner. LDO value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market, for the most part drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into, in every practical sense, more steady business sectors. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe truly play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some truly green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This especially is somewhat reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to explicitly find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and extremely other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical really potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 1120 plus 0.19% $0 8997 2022 1121 plus 0.02% $0 8983 2022 1122 3.43% $0 8673 2022 1123, which is genuinely critical. 5.49% $0 8487 2022 1124 3.86% $0 8635 2022 1125, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 6.41% $0 8405 2022 1126 in an unobtrusive manner. 3.32% 86 cents. 2022 1127 in an unpretentious manner. 1.81% $0 8818 2022 1128 7.18% $0 8336 2022 1129 5.22% $0 8512 2022 1130 3.09% 87 cents. Lido DAO especially token value forecast 2022 in a significant manner. Most of specialists concur that this by and large bear market will especially endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions incredibly. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be in an unobtrusive manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 16.85% $0 7468 2023 Jan. 33.00% $0 6018 2023 Feb, which is very critical. 22.11% $0 6995 2023 Blemish. 12.56% $0 7853 2023 APRA in an unobtrusive manner. 6.30% $0 8415 2023 May in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 0.10% $0 8990 2023 June in a quite huge manner. Plus 12.28% $1.01 in a truly significant manner. 2023 Joe. Plus 21.88% $1.09 2023 Aug. Plus 19.83% $1.08 2023 Set. Plus 35.04% $1.21 2023 Oct, which is very critical. plus 37.14% $1.23 2023 NAV, in spite of prevalent thinking, plus 48.50% $1.33 LDO value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees LDO coming to $2.31 in 2025, which is very critical. What will LDO be worth in 5 years? The cost of LDO in 5 years could lie around $2.04. Lido DAO token value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Lido DAO token will be especially worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Lido DAO token coming to $5.78 in 2030, or so they thought. What Lido DAO genuinely token will be truly worth in 2040 in a quite enormous manner. Our Guanjing model sees Lido DAO really token coming to $11.56 in 2040. Will Lido DAO especially token certainly supplant, outperform, for the most part surpass Bitcoin, which is genuinely huge? Can Lido DAO especially token reach $10, which sort of is very huge? Indeed, Lido DAO token could reach $10 toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Zen. Will Lido DAO pretty symbolic reach $100? Indeed, Lido DAO token could fundamentally reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Will Lido DAO truly token reach $1,000? Indeed, it is conceivable that Lido DAO by and large token can in every practical sense reach $1,000 yet just in a removed future, after 2030 in an unpretentious way. Is Lido DAO truly token kind of worth purchasing? We sort of are supporters of modestly hazardous money management. Contribute the vast majority of in every way that really matters. Your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of quite large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Lido DAO token generally is truly worth purchasing. Is Lido DAO token a wise speculation? Lido DAO by and large token is, very much like all genuinely other cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has kind of higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it incredibly. How truly much will Lido DAO token be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 52 cents, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the long haul, it could leap to $5.78 or much higher, which is very huge. For what reason will Lido DAO kind of token really succeed and generally get more expensive, which is very huge? Lido DAO token in every way that really matters, has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, certainly dynamic local area and a genuinely strong group behind it in an unobtrusive manner. These in every practical sense are an essential for progress, and that basically is the reason our expectation model sees Lido DAO token ascending to $5.78 in 2030, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. For what reason will Lido DAO token really fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects in every practical sense come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most beautiful normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around plan showcase